Hi, my name is Andrew. I'm the production supervisor at Trexo Robotics. Glenn and Scott have a really unique coaching style. They really like to teach the team how to do the process uniquely so that we don't need to rely on them for information further. They want to set us up for success so that we can implement everything that they've taught us going forward and we can succeed together. We brought them in to help us with a move and they helped implement that successfully. Since then, we've organized our new facility to be more robust and to really ramp up production numbers relative to where we were before. We've seen a cleaner, more organized workspace with a more coherent team that's all really working together. Glenn and Scott's approach is really unique. They very much want everyone who they're teaching to actually absorb, learn, and implement those processes themselves. They don't want to come in and show you how to do things and just leave you with that information. They actually want to show you the best practice so you can maintain these systems going forward. My best advice if you're to definitely take in everything they're telling you, listen, write it down, and possibly even record it. They are a wealth of knowledge and it's great to have them around. They're excellent for teaching yourself and your team the best way to succeed.